This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Mini Cooper. First, make sure your car's ignition is on and it's safely parked. Navigate to the Communication or Media menu on your Mini's central display. From there, you'll want to select Manage Mobile Devices and then choose the option to add New Device. This prepares your car to pair with your smartphone. Now, grab your smartphone and go into its Settings menu. Find the Bluetooth option and make sure it's turned on. Your phone should start searching for nearby devices. You'll see your Mini Cooper's name appear in the list. Select it. A pairing code will then display on both your phone and the car's screen. Verify these codes match to complete the secure connection. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy its features through your Mini Cooper. All your audio, including music and podcasts, will play through the car's speakers. You can also make and receive calls hands-free. Depending on your Mini system, you might even have access to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, offering even deeper integration for navigation and other apps. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and your Mini infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. Also, always ensure your phone's operating system is up to date for optimal compatibility with your car. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for an amazing reading experience. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your connected drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.